Makofi. Shagirie. Shagirie kwa makofi. Tushagirie.
I, Mboro Simon Geshio, take you to be my wife. I promise before God and congregation to be a faithful and a loving husband to you until death shall separate us.
God found me a woman, my woman, my priority. She fell in love with the wire. She means the whole world to me.
Simon, to be my husband. Promise before God and before this congregation to be a faithful and loving wife to you till death shall separate us.
Amen. Makofi.
It is a day that you've marked in our calendars, and we live to celebrate this day for the rest of our lives, as it marks the beginning of our new journey. Yes, our wedding day.
You love me better than I love myself. I just want you to know. You trust me better than I trust myself. I just wanna give you love. Cause when I close my eyes, I know you are right here with me by my side forever. Do you know how much I pray for you? Oh, pray for so long for you, darling. Be my forever, I promise to never lay you down, baby.
Iko sawa? Iko sawa Simon? Sawa. Okay, kukue Simon. Sidenya kwa mudi. Kuna watu wa kasi. Iko kwa si. Asante. Tuwashangilie kwa makofi.
The Lord has done it. Finally. The Lord has done it all. Finally. I said the Lord has done it all. Finally. The Lord has done it all. I said the Lord has done it all. Finally. I said the Lord has done it all. The Lord has done it all. I said the Lord has done it all.
Nalo kidogo hapa kidogo. Twende.
This is DJ. It's that heavy. Ni mshenza kupendi ama kwa ni mtihani, mambo mengi dunia na mistress siwezi, siwezi.
Bora ni John, maisha mafupi ni simple. You are great, you are ready to be praised. Cause he did happen and she don't come back. Thank you. Lord, you are great, you are ready to be praised. Baba, I thank you. Jehovah, now you be my activity. Cause it dey happen as you talk am, Baba, I thank you.
Me no fit to deny you. All of my blessings are divine, no.
Ngai uyu ni mwanake wa njoro ngathĩirie keki ũyũ Ngai wa igũrũ.
At last.
Aya.
Good. Winnie no nginya arĩe biũ biũ biũ.
They see me sorry for who won't be my matter sorry. I'm only human.
Juu man utaunga. Yeah, nitakulisha vizuri. I'll take good care of you. You are safe with me. Yes. So I love you so much. Bye bye. Can't wait to spend the rest of my life with you.